Heart auscultation sound in 1 minute. First is our aortic sound present in the second intercostal space right of sternum. Second is our pulmonary sound present in the second intercostal space left of sternum. Third is our Erb's point. Erb's point is present in the third intercostal space left of sternum. Then fourth is our tricuspid wall present in the fourth intercostal space left of sternum. Then is our fifth point, that is our mitral wall present in the mid-clavicular line of fifth intercostal space left of sternum. The mnemonic to remember it is all physicians enjoy taking money. That is A for aortic, P for pulmonary, E for Erb's, T for tricuspid and M for mitral. Thank you.